Hello my beautiful people, how you were doing today? I hope good. Welcome back into this video. My name is Miriam Dunde. I'm a new Cameroonian YouTuber. If you are new to my channel, you're hello, welcome. Guys, into the village video, as you can see, I'm already dressed my farm coat that you guys can see. That's my outfit for the farm. So I came over this morning at my mom's place to help her do the farm work because we gotta plant some corn, vegetable, and some other things we need to plant here. So let me show you guys a project that I've been working on since last week. They worked this part this morning, as you guys can see that. So I came over this morning, so I did this side. That's what the whole bunch of it I did ever since I got here. Like I came here 10 o'clock and I'll be doing this. So let me show you guys the small portion that is left. So that's it, that's the leftover, that's what is left also to do. So what we do, we dig the ground, we dig the soil, and then all this food, plantain, banana peelings, and then corn, and then all of these grasses that you see them. So we're gonna dig the soil and then bury them inside, if you know what I'm talking about. So we dig the hole, as you guys can see. Like this part, I dug it, I just dig it. So I'm gonna put some grass inside, and then all those manure inside, so that it will give us a good soil, so that those maize will grow very well. So let me show you guys the whole view of the project we'll be working on. So I did that portion this morning, and then this way my mom and my sister did. So they've been working on it since like yesterday. If you guys can see over that way, my sister is also doing the other side. So we have like three portions: the front part, this side, and the other side. So this is my hole. This is what I'm using. This is my hole. So when people will see that we are in America, we don't do farm. Let me show you guys. Let me prove to you guys that we're working farm. Even if we're here, we just love doing what we like to do, even back home. So if you're in the Europe, if you're in wherever in the Europe, whatever, please try to do some farm work, because during your retirement you will love to go back to your country. So you just have to keep yourself busy, do something that will make you happy. Like do anything that make you happy. I love doing what I'm doing right now, because it's been a long time with your farm work ever since we moved to the US. So my mom, she love working, so she just said that everyone is gonna work on this project. So that's what I'll be doing. So let me set this camera and then show you guys what I've been doing since I got here in the morning. The sun is not gonna let me do something. I hope you guys can see very well what I'm doing. I'm working farm. So I dig a hole, I dig it like it should be like 2 feet inside. Just push your leg. So I will take some manure, some of this, bury inside, put it inside, and then take the soil and cover, just like that. And then just like that, soon after you're finished doing, as I told you that we'll be working on it, if we're done, we start put some water it, and then we put our vegetable, our corn, whatever we want to put inside our farm. So let me keep doing what I'm doing. I hope you guys enjoyed what I'm doing. I love doing farm work. Even back in Cameroon, I love going to the farm with my mom. She takes us to the farm all the time to work, clear, and plant meals. So yeah. So my friends, when I told them that we work family, even the US, they don't believe me. They think that we're here to work in the offices, stuff like that, do professional jobs. This is also a professional job. What do you guys think? Drop a comment down in the comment section. So guys, if you're first time dropping by on my new channel, if you're first time here, you are welcome. Please help me to click the subscribe button, like, and also share. As I said earlier, my name is Miriam. I'm a new Cameroonian YouTuber. If you're new, you're welcome. So I'm really happy you guys stopping by to watch my video. I'm really happy. Let me move the camera more closer. Hi guys, it's so hard. It's so hard. Okay. If my mom was here, could have shown you guys. She got up early this morning. She would get up like 7 o'clock. She was walking the farm. I made her walking, so I have to continue from where she ended. So I dig the soil, dig a huge part. Let me show you guys. Let me see, since I'm close up the camera, let me do this. So I'll take the dirt, bury it, smash it, and then cover. Just like that. Simple and easy. If I'm done, I'm going to meet my sister that way so that we can finish up. Oh, I've done like 2 bottles of water. Now seriously, you guys see the weather. I like the weather outside. I like the weather. It was cold in the morning, it's chilly in the morning, but now it's getting hot. It's getting hot, so I like it. So that's me. Let me set up the camera and then we continue doing our walk. There's nobody available to hold the camera for me, so that's why I'm looking for a good place to set the camera so that we can continue. Keep walking. Oh my gosh, this thing always happens. I have to put it back in. When it comes like that, don't panic. Just put it back. Put it back and hit it on the floor. Put it back and hit it on the floor. Okay, good. We can then continue. Uh-oh. Oh no. I break it. So guys, facing the camera. So guys, the farm is just close by the house. The house is just up there. So we just have a farm this way and that way. So the first, second, and third. I will show you guys the other ones. So just stay still. Grab a chair. Grab a seat. Oh no. Not again. This is so annoying. It is annoying. So I can still see the plant from last year. Guys, I'm going to show you guys the result of it. You guys will enjoy the corn, the vegetable, and the water leaf, and the spinach. Guys, I'm almost done. Almost done. Almost done. So I hope you guys are liking the video. You guys enjoy what you're seeing right now. So yeah, just us. We love working in the farm. We love eating homemade food. We love enjoy what we're doing. Even though we're here, we don't care what people say. We just have to be who we are as African. The real Africa. The real African people. As I said, I put the grasses, dig the hole, put the corn stem, and the food I'll be throwing in the and the leftover food inside the hole. So you close it. You close it. Almost done, guys. Let me show you guys what is left. Let me show you what is left so far. So you guys would think that, nothing that someone is helping me. That's it. Some more side that is done. You guys see that? That's it. That's the only part that is left. So yeah. So guys, we are all done. I just finished a little portion that we're having. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. Yep. Yeah. Finally, we are all done. We are all done. Right now, we just have to keep the soil for one full week. While keeping it for a week, we have to be putting water on it. We have to water it so that it will be moist. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, like, and also share. Please always turn on your notification button so that whenever I remove a video, you will be the first to be notified. I do really appreciate you guys stopping by to watch me and my family do the farm work. So please, thank you. I'm so grateful for having you guys watch my video, and then God will always bless you people. Guys, we have come. Let me take you guys to the where my sister is working. Sister doesn't want to be in the video because she doesn't like video. She doesn't like anything video. So guys, we are done for the day. Where she's working, we're gonna do it tomorrow because right now my back is killing me. Guys, doing a farm work is not really easy. My back is already hurting me. Not all the whole process is by bending down, bending like this all the time until you're done. So it's only bending, digging the soil. That's it. So okay guys, we are done for the farm work today. I'll always keep you guys updated. So bye. See you guys now in the video. I love you. Look at my hands are dirty. Some people say that Mira, I don't do farm work. I say so if I tell my friends that we do farm work even where we are here in the US, they will not believe me. They will not believe me. So this is the proof of what we do over here. We always love what we do, and then we always love everything about ourselves. So we really appreciate you guys. So bye guys, we'll see you all in our next video. Bye. Stay blessed.